Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to remove forgotten password for Excel file and how to do this up. So let's get started. So in order to remove the password, you just have to go to this one. I'll be giving in the description. It's called Password for Excel. It's an easy application in order to remove all these kind of issues, and you have to get this from here. As you can see that you have to click on the free trial, and if you find this really good, you can go for the buy now options, because this is going to help you out for almost all offices and all those situations. So once it's successfully downloaded, you just have to click over here and go for open. Now from here go for yes, and you have to go for OK, and this is how you can install this up. So go for next, and as you can see we are successfully getting installed. And once it is done, I'm going to show you how to do this up. So as you can see that you have to click on the finish, and this is how it looks like. Now here what happened, there are two options. Like one is for recover Excel open password, which you can recover for your lost open password from the Excel through three types. They are having the options like these options, you can go for it. And we have another one is which is called removing the Excel restriction password. So if you are not able to get into it because of the restriction of password, you can click on this, and there is an option called to add the file. So you just have to click over here and you have to add the respective Excel file, or you can drag and drop. And once it is done, it will get there is some kind of process going in between, and it is going to fix the issue up. So you'll be able to good to go for the access, as well as this is how you can do this up. So this is really pretty simple. You just have to drag and paste, or you can just add this up, and it undergoes in some kind of process by this password, and they're going to fix the issue up. And also if you're having a trouble for recover Excel open password, then we have a solution over here also. So this is what you have to do and how to fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.